Joshua here. Welcome back to another playthrough of A Bird Story. This is a beautiful little game about a boy who finds a bird that's been hurt, and that's about as far as we're at right now. If you haven't seen episode 1, it's down. I'll link it down in the description, but yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay. Oh, another light switch. Oh, another note from Mom. Okay. They're gonna tell us what it is. Let's check her room again. See what's going on. I wonder if there's a reason we can switch on Mom's light. Or Dad. Or whoever, the parental figure. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Man, we got a lot of notes from Mom or Dad. I'm just gonna say Mom. In my mind, it's Mom. So, okay. Let's go out on the balcony here, see what's going on. Oh, we shut the window. So then our little bird friend, Tweety McGee, can't fly out. Or did we open the window? Let's investigate. Oh! Can he not fly? Apparently he can. This is a beautiful view of the city. Holy moly. Oh, he's thirsty. Okay, let's get him something to drink. You want agua? You want Coke Zero? What do you want? We've got options. Oh, you're getting water from the tap. Straight from the tap. Let's see. I can't tell what that is. Is that a bucket? I guess we're about to find out. One second. Hey, yo, boy, we got you some water. Carbs. We're carving up. We are about to. We had that muffin from earlier. Didn't we grab a muffin yesterday? We didn't even eat it. I wonder if I missed something. I wonder if there's like a special room or something or sequence we can stumble upon. Uh-oh. He done flew the coop. They're always destined to leave. They grow up so fast. Oh. He's just playing peekaboo. What up, buddy? Hi. Oh, that's cute. Can't. Oh, he gave him that side eye, like, I'm watching you. Oh, gotcha. That is adorable. Alright, let's see what's going on. Come out, buddy. Break up the bread into little pieces. Oh, we're breaking it even more. I'm gonna do this. I can't make my eyes go that way. Go on, eat, buddy. For those of you that don't know, I live on coffee. So. Where is he? Is he still out on the balcony? So it's nighttime. I'm assuming yesterday when the blanket came around us in the middle of the night and the notes were left and stuff, I'm assuming that was mom or parental figure coming in at night. Then I also suspect that they're not ghosts. It's just they're shadowy figures because they're not the focus of the story. Like the main characters are fully fleshed out and pixelated. Non-important characters are ghostly looking. Oh, he wants to fly off with his buddies. I wonder if Honey Badger yesterday messed him up whenever he was playing with him or trying to attack him. Now he can't fly. Have to wrap his wing. Give him a stint. Oh man, that's good. Wake up! If anyone ever woke me up like that. Alexa actually wakes me up in the morning to the My Hero Academia theme song. What the freak? Alexa, stop. Oh my gosh. We just jumped out of a 12 however story window with an umbrella. Oh, are we skipping school today? Is that what's going on? This boy is crazy. You know what? You don't fit the mold. You shouldn't be institutionalized going to school every day. You should be out adventuring and stuff like that. You're going to become the next Crocodile Dundee or something, or the bird whisperer. What an interesting color for your vehicle. Green used to be a pretty popular color back in the day, but nowadays, And I even like green. Maybe green and gold. That'd be kind of nice. Oh, can we take you to the vet now? Is the vet open? On a Saturday? Aww. I bet vets have the best job. I'm talking about animal veterinarians, not military vets, obviously. Hi, buddy. Hi. Tweet. Well, am I gonna sit in the chair and wait? Here's my backpack. Can't sit in a chair. Let me talk to your dog. Oh, get the baby milk bottle. Okay, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, no, I'm giving it to the veterinarian. Or is that a spray bottle? Is that a... We just sprayed you down with a bottle of milk. That's a bird bath. Just kidding. Alright. Is this a bucket for him to take a pee in, or is it a bowl to give him water? I'm so confused. Apparently I can't decipher what these little pixelated items are. We're getting him toilet paper now. Or duct tape. Or... I don't know, gauze? Oh, not close enough. Get you all wrapped up, good to go. Aww. Best job ever. Is she gonna give us a pet carrier, or are we just gonna stick him back in our backpack? Oh, you forgot your winter jacket. Just slipped my mind as I was performing a precarious invasive surgery on a bird's wing. Oh, it's a bird cage. Just kidding. I'm dumb, guys. I'm dumb. Wait up. Jack. Titanic is like one of my favorite movies. Just so y'all know. What the heck? Why did we run away? Yo, what's up, bird friends? So he did get his wing hurt from honey badger. What did we name him? I don't know, name him Beelzebub or something, because he was hateful. Hateful badger, honey badger. Honey badger don't care. Honey badger don't care. It's done come and gone, hasn't it? Yo, he ain't even break it up this time. He like, have some bread. We can be like, you get bread, everybody gets bread. I'm just kidding. Oh, he is just so happy. He can't wait to get out of that school. Okay. Ooh. Oh, he just took it. Come back. Oh, they're just having a ball out here in the woods. Playing with a paper airplane. What? Old bird's got a crib. Look at this. He's got a stereo system. He's got a fridge. A lamp that can't be hooked up to anything, but that doesn't matter because all the lamps in this game defy all logic. What this lamp over there in the corner is doing. Guess we'll just watch some TV. They're just having the best time of their life. Holy crud. Let's jump in the mud. Oops. Get in the hole. This is so stinking cute. A game doesn't always have to have action or killing or, you know, anything like that. Like, you can tell a story and it be so immersive or so profound and make a game out of it. Oh, okay. You're a riverboat captain now? Oh, he brought his bird to school. Oh, no. This is like whenever my cat Sushi decides he wants to take off on his own. Oh no. Where did... Oh, okay. I thought we lost him for a second. Whew. I don't know if I would feed the bird that ice cream. He is going to have a sugar rush like no other. Oh, now we're ducks. Okay, go. Hold up. We are crossing the road. Thank you. Oh, you want to go on a seesaw? Okay. Hey, leave my birdie alone. What's going on? Oh, he's having the kids play with him. Oh my gosh. What's that meme where the person goes... Or I suppose it could be like Palpatine whenever he's like about to get arrested by... I'll finish that thought, hold it. Master Windu. Look at those loaves of bread. Oh my gosh, I love bread. Oh, we're going to get bread. We're getting some bread. Yes. Yo, give me this loaf. I want this bread. We're gonna fit it to our little buddy. Oh. Alright, where are we at? Okay, we're good. Really says something whenever you're playing a game that you don't want to stop playing. I've had that a lot. Like Mass Effect. I was obsessed with Mass Effect. I'm assuming we're gonna cross the street here. Very carefully, looking both ways. Always look both ways. We're gonna head up through Le Forest, which is French for Le Forest. Okay. Our buddy's back at our bachelor pad out in the woods. And that was a shadow of my former self. The trees aren't gonna move. Oh, they are. Okay. Where'd our buddy go? Stinking honey badger. I'll beat you up. Show yourself. Like... Is he older now? He used to be brown. This is a gray bird. Gray bird in a little boy song. Just kidding. Kitten. Teacher would like that. Drawing cats. Square root of 20 whatever she wrote there earlier. Maybe we went out and found little buddy a friend. studying anyway. We're going to be doodling. We don't study. Okay. I want you to have this. It's my most prized possession. It's my school book that I doodled in. I'm just kidding. Oh, sorry. We went up one extra floor to the roof, so our apartment is on the top floor. Tippity toppity. Are we gonna draw him? We should draw him. Totally draw him. Draw me like one of your French pigeons. Or is he gonna use it to potty on? They're gonna make the giant paper airplane. So then the birdie can fly. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. This game is way too cute for its own good. They are best buds. Holy cow. I can show you the world. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, that is epic. Okay. So we can go up, we can go down, that left. Well, I don't know if that's gaining altitude. It looks like it's gaining altitude. We can climb, we can push some G-forces, let me tell you, straight up. Or we can go to the right, we can go down, we can go up, or we can fire some afterburners and boost! Has anybody watched that High School DxD? I definitely recommend watching it, but it is cringe-worthy of just... You'll understand when you watch it. Boost! That's what he says whenever he activates his gauntlet. Okay, so there's clouds on the right side, there's clouds on the right side, so what is our end goal? Just flying around the city. This is pretty. Not a bad looking city either. We got some skyscrapers, we have a little bit of a downtown scene. A little uptown scene. Let's see. Do they have Walmart? I'm not seeing Walmart. Nope, no Walmart. Target? Nope, no Target. Gosh, this is cute. We're letting him live his dream. How high can I go? Oh, okay, it's just right off screen. Dang. Ooh, hold up. Stealthy. They'll never see us coming. Then you swoop down and get him. Ah! I'm just kidding. Gosh. see below us in particular that could be of importance? Let's see. Not seeing anything. Man, they built this out of the papers from his book too. That's incredible. They have some mad skills. He didn't even use, like, what is it called? Glue or anything. He must have licked it and sticked it. Licked it and sticked it. Like an envelope. Oh boy. So we're just gonna fly around until the music ends, or we're gonna try to go. Okay. We loaded a new scene. We're coming over here now. That is beautiful. Alright guys, I am going to pause us right here for the next video. This is an amazing story, I'm not gonna lie. When I saw him start to like rip the pages out of his book and start placing it on the thing and make the giant paper airplane, it kind of got me a little bit right here. This is just wonderful. Yeah, but this is a bird story. It's on Steam. You can download it and play it for yourself. We're gonna pause the video like I said here, and then we'll come back next time. And like always, just be a decent human being. Joshua out.